Scott from Wessex Blades. Now, I have a very rundown garage that I do my workshop in, and I've been here now 25 years, and the fact that it's asbestos has been a problem because you got to get people in to work on it. Now, I've actually got guttering in my garage into a tray there. It's a downpipe. Catch as much as I can. I've tried to strengthen it up. Obviously you can't do much with it because it is asbestos, so I've siliconed this just to keep it together. Got the electrical point in there. It's blown a couple of times because it's constantly wet, dripping down the back wall. So I've ended up putting old plastic sheeting of it to collect the water into a big old bin. And I emptied that out this morning. It's already a quarter full, and it's only been raining for about an hour. So I'm going to be trying to use the Cromapol thing paint, and the results I will share. If I can reduce it by 50%, I'll give it another coat, and then hopefully that'll cure it. And then in time to come, I might decide on embedding some mesh in order to strengthen it. But I've been over the years using a bitumen type backing. I've used blackjack. I've used all manner of supposed roof treatment stick-on paints because there isn't much else I can use on this roof other than getting someone in and costing me a fortune. I got enough each time I'm going to invest in something. I got 30 or 40 quid to play with now and again, and that's it. So what I can do is buy this again, this another treatment, some other product, and give it the best go that it can. So let me go through to tomorrow morning. I'm guessing I got 2 days of dry. I'm going to be doing this corner, this quadrant of the roof. This is the worst area, and then I can see from it from there. I've put tarps on it. I've done all sorts, and it's just unless you can really clamp them down, the first storm comes along, it just rips it all to hell. But I ain't got the £2 it needs to rip it all off, get it sorted out, new timbers, new wall plate, new joist, the whole thing. That's what it really needs doing. Never had the capital. So will this Cromapol stuff work? We'll see. So thanks for joining me, and let's see me putting it on. And the next time it'll rain will be 2 days time. But as you can see, it's dripping now, and it's only drizzling. And this is now, well, it's 10 inches deep in there. And okay, so here we are the next day. Every kind of working day I got is literally tipping this off. And then this on this side. Plastic back in there. That one. So that would be normally in here. This is what I'm living with. 25 years of that shit. still leaks like a bastard.